So this is the Wisdent, and it's a sonic electric toothbrush. And one thing about this toothbrush that really drew me to this toothbrush was the speed. So this goes 38,000 times per minute. So when you open it up, so you're gonna have the manual in there, and then you also have the toothbrush. So this toothbrush, you can charge it up using a USB cord. So the USB cord is located right over here. So you don't have a USB cord, you just kind of connect it to it. So from right underneath over here, you connect it like that, and you plug it to the box or to a USB outlet. So this is what the brush looks like. It has a clean section, it has a soft, it has white to whiten, and also care, and also to polish. So it has different sections. You also get all these heads. So you get 8 heads right now, so different sizes of the head. So this is one of the size of the head. So I'll show you right over here. So you can see this like that. So that's one head, and then it is another type of the head like this. So this one is much of a softer and smaller bristle than this. So you can kind of see the sizes of the heads that you get. So they're in 2 different sizes. So the first thing you're gonna do is we're gonna rinse the bristle, and then I'm just gonna put a little bit of toothpaste on it. Okay, and this has a timer. It has a 2-minute timer. So there's a timer already set on it. So I've turned it on, and when I turn it on, it is on the clean and it's on a timer. So I'm just gonna start brushing. I can increase it. If I want to increase intensity, I can press 1 to make it more. So this is more intensity. So overall, I like it. It's very gentle, very gentle on the gum, and easy to work. So when you turn it on, you just turn on the side, and then you can go from section to section, and it has a lot of good functionality. I love that aspect of all the functionality. So yeah, so that is my review of this Wisdent sonic electric toothbrush.